guys, it's me, Aiza Landero, in your screen. So for today's vlog guys, we're here in Tubod Offspring. Tubod Offspring. So together with my family. Ay ma. Nay. Hello guys. Ikaw pa. Sige ma. Oh, bangaon sa mo guys.
Gampra lang, nagampa man.
Guys, I will show you here. Ako makita niyo guys kung saan kanay sa view diri. So, arena mo guys. So, ilang cottage diri guys is super affordable. Ni guys is for only sa imana 600, while ang kani is for only 500. O diba? Very affordable one guys. So, arena mo diri. Super nice here. So, daghan kay pool. Over there, na-price say pool, daghan pod. Basta nice kay view dira guys. Ako i-flex later. Then diri is super ka nice. Oh, diba? Nami diri kay nagpalandong ni guys. Diri dapit nga area sa number 40. So, among ikuan guys, i-observe. Observe. Among tanaw ng view diri guys. Super ka nice here sa Tubod.
This life on replay, so you can hold your head down. I'll hide all of my worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you, driving through the states. Don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I came all this way tonight. I'm so far from home. All the rumors true, the vibes I just had to know. Cause I had the urge and now feeling the flow. The mood was just right, my body was saying go. Cause I'm feeling alive when I stroll down the road. Got a kick in my feet and a fire in my soul. And I know it's gonna be magical. Bright lights keep me up all night. I got some slick moves and I feel alright. You got me tap dancing. You got me tap dancing. I put a cakewalk in my step tonight. I'm ready to go, ready to fly. You got me tap dancing. You got me tap dancing.
When I know it's me, only one I wanna see. The only one that knows me, only one I wanna see.
Fireworks on the 4th of July. Just to stare at your those butterflies. I tell myself this time.
So hi guys, nice here guys. Na mga slide. Dili na ako magipili kay gamay ra. Unlike dito sa Pikas is super kalalo.
Only in my mind, baby, when we're dancing side by side. I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. Oh, I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I've seen your smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too. You get more beautiful like flowers bloom. I've never felt this yet, it feels like deja vu. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay, so you can let your hair.
So hi guys, we're going home na. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye!
Go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending